We're going to explain how to download all files from a SharePoint site. There are several ways to do this, depending on the size of your SharePoint library and your technical comfort level. Let's explore some options. 1. Using SharePoint's built-in download features for smaller libraries. If your SharePoint library only contains a relatively small number of files, the simplest method is to use SharePoint's own download functionality. You can select multiple files at once, typically by using the checkboxes next to each file name, and then choose a download option. SharePoint often provides a way to download all selected files in a zipped folder. This is great for quick, small downloads, but it's impractical for larger libraries. 2. Using the SharePoint Sync client for frequent access. Microsoft offers a SharePoint Sync client that allows you to create a local copy of your SharePoint library on your computer. Once synced, any changes made in either location will be reflected in the other. This is ideal if you need ongoing access to the files and regular synchronization. The Sync client handles version control and keeps your local copy up to date. Note that the initial synchronization might take time depending on the library's size. 3. Using PowerShell for larger libraries and automation. For larger SharePoint libraries, or if you want to automate the download process, using PowerShell is highly recommended. PowerShell is a powerful command line tool that allows you to interact with SharePoint programmatically. You'll need to install the SharePoint Online Management Shell or the appropriate SharePoint modules. Once installed, you can execute scripts to download all files from a specified SharePoint library to a local folder of your choice. There are many examples of such scripts available online. Remember that you'll need appropriate permissions to access the SharePoint site and download its contents. You might need to adjust paths and file names within the script to match your specific SharePoint environment. This method offers much greater control and scalability compared to manual downloads. 4. Third-party tools for specific needs. Several third-party tools are available that specialize in SharePoint data migration and file management. These tools often offer features like scheduling downloads, filtering files based on criteria, and handling large files more efficiently. This is a good option if you need advanced features or specialized handling not easily achievable with built-in methods or PowerShell. However, consider carefully the security implications and reliability of any third-party software before using it. Always check reviews and ensure the tool is reputable. Remember, before downloading, always check your SharePoint permissions and be mindful of your organization's policies on downloading and storing data locally. Consider the size of the files to be downloaded and your available storage space, and always back up important data before attempting any large-scale file transfer.